so this happened last night. So yes, Ukulele Wales has reached 10,000 subscribers. Wow. Thank you all so much. There may be a few people going, yeah, you've got 100,000 play button behind there for my other channel. I'll tell you why this really does make me as excited as getting that, and so much more thankful, is that this is me. You didn't even see me on the Ukulelians for the first couple of years. I was completely anonymous, and even now I only post very rarely videos showing me. This channel, I had to really think long and hard before I started this. Did I want to be on YouTube? Did I want people seeing me, Rachel? And so this really is why reaching this point, 10,000 subscribers, it really does mean the absolute world, I promise you. It's been a massively steep learning curve. I really knew nothing about making videos when I first started, as some of my first videos show. Audio was awful, lighting, I really didn't have a clue, but I have had such brilliant fun learning along the way. I'm still not there. I know there's loads more things I want to learn how to do, and I know I can improve even more on my videos. But all the comments that I get, honestly, I appreciate them all so much. Every time I get a new subscriber, I think, woohoo! I really do. All right. Now then, to thank you guys for supporting me here, I'm going to do a little giveaway. All right. I'm going to send out a t-shirt. Okay. I've got a few different t-shirt designs, ranging from Ukulele Wales, Ukulelians, a couple of other ukulele related designs. All you need to do to win a t-shirt is leave a comment below here on this video. You must be subscribed, and I want you to tell me what your favorite video is and why. All right, obviously Ukulele Wales videos, so just a quick comment. What's your favorite video that you've enjoyed? Maybe you've learnt something new, maybe it gave you a bit of a giggle, maybe it just made you feel better about your own ukulele playing. All right, so please leave a comment. What's your favorite video on Ukulele Wales and why? And don't forget that you must have subscribed. So what I will do is read through all the comments, decide what is my favourite. If there are several that I really like, maybe I'll do it, put it into a raffle or something like that and pull out the lucky winner. I'll announce on here who the lucky winner is. They can then contact me with their details, and I will then go through the process of which t-shirts. Obviously, there'll be different colours and different sizes available, and they can tell me which design they want. So leave your comment below, but this is to thank you guys for all the support here on Ukulele Wales. And it can be anywhere in the world, all right? It doesn't have to be in the UK. So just a really quick Rachel's Rambles, number 10, some of the things that have been happening and some of the things that are going to be coming up very soon. Massive thank you to everybody who supported the Ukes for Ukraine evening on YouTube. It was a fabulous night, thoroughly enjoyed, and we managed to raise over £1,000 as well. So a massive thank you for that. It was lovely seeing so many of you on the comments live on YouTube. On some personal news for me, I've recently been asked to become an ambassador for the ukulele project here in the UK, which of I've said yes. I'm very honoured to be asked. They got in touch with me to ask if I could do a workshop for them, a teacher's workshop, all online, where basically I'm going to be talking about how I teach ukulele in school and how I use the play-alongs and the Ukuleleans channel to help teach the pupils, and just give a little bit of my story of where I started and where I am now. So thank you, Ukulele Project. They were originally London Ukulele Project, Wales Ukulele Project, but there are quite a few of them now, so it's become a UK-wide thing. So I'm really pleased to be asked to do that. 28th of June, just in case any of you are interested, it'll all be online, but check out the Ukulele Project website for more details. I did mention a little while ago that I'd bought another bass ukulele. There have been a few issues with that. I'm not going to say anything more until it's sorted out one way or the other, but just in case any of you are going, where is it? It's happening, or it's been happening, but there are a couple of issues. We're just going to have to wait a little bit longer to find out about that one. And I'm still waiting. I've ordered myself a new cabinet speaker to go with my little Hughes & Kettner Nano, especially for electric ukuleles. I've got a barefaced bass cab at the minute, but I've ordered myself a barefaced guitar cab. As always, the wait is killing me, but the minute that arrives, I will start using it and show you guys. The sun is shining, spring is here. In fact, I'm going out the garden in a minute. But ukulele festivals and ukulele jams and events are starting to happen again. I've got my first one coming up in a few days, very local. The Uke Strad Jam. All right, I'm really looking forward to that, but I know there are lots of festivals on the horizon a little bit later on in the summer as well, so there'll be more vlogs coming from those, and of course you guys get to as many events and as festivals as you possibly can, because they are such great fun. So again, a massive thank you to everybody who supports me here on Ukulele Wales. As I said, I really am as chuffed to get to 10,000 subscribers on here as I've been for any of the milestones on Ukuleleans. So a massive thank you. And if you want to be in it with a chance to win a t-shirt, leave your comment below. What's your favourite video here on Ukulele Wales and why? All right. Any other comments or questions, leave those below too. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.